जो मुस्कुरा रहा है उसे दर्द ने पाला होगा। जो मुस्कुरा रहा है उसे दर्द ने पाला होगा। जो चल रहा है उसके पाँव में जरूर छाला होगा। जो चल रहा है उसके पाँव में जरूर छाला होगा। बिना संघर्ष के चमक नहीं मिलती। बिना संघर्ष के चमक नहीं मिलती। जो जल रहा है तिल तिल उसी दिए में उजाला होगा। जो जल रहा है तिल तिल उसी दिए में उजाला होगा।
A very warm and refreshing morning to Reverend Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my fellow friends. Today, we, the students of Class 10th B, are going to give a presentation on the theme Resilience Turn Your Wounds into Wisdom. Resilience is that feature of character that demonstrates an ability to bend but not break.
We have chosen this topic as we understand the value of resilience as a significant life skill which one must have to survive in today's world. To inspire you all, we would like to present the life stories of inspirational people who have showcased great perseverance, resilience, and fought against all odds to achieve success. So, here we present to you the embodiments of resilience.
Hello, everyone. My name is Oprah Gail Winfrey, an American global media leader, popularly known for my show, The Oprah Winfrey Show. But I wasn't born with a silver spoon. From a poor dirt upbringing to the celebrity stardom, my journey has been exceptional. I was born in a rural town of Mississippi, US, and was brought up in utter poverty. I had a troubled adolescence as I suffered the sexual abuse at a tender age of 9 years. My unwed mother sent me to live with my dad, who made my education a priority. I developed upon my oratory skills, and September 1986 marked the beginning of my fame as I hosted the Oprah Winfrey Show, which was on air for 25 years. I became the first woman to host and to produce her own TV show. I believe in turning wounds into wisdom. And today, here I am, the richest African American woman, a successful talk show host, author, actor, and a billionaire philanthropist. Remember, where there's no strength, there's no struggle. Bye.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am रविंद्र जडेजा. मैं अपने जीवन के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूंगा. मैंने अपना बचपन एक सिंगल रूम फ्लैट में बिताया है. मेरे पिताजी मिस्टर अनिरुद्ध जडेजा एक वॉचमैन की नौकरी करा करते थे, जिस पर हमारा पूरा घर चलता था. मेरे पिताजी के निधन के बाद it got too hard to reach all the expenses for living. So my mother, Mrs. Lata Jadeja, started a job in an hospital and fought bravely from all type of stereotypes. In my school days, I used to come home crying because my seniors never gave me a chance to play cricket. But everyone gets one person in their life who changes their life completely. और मेरे लिए वो मिस्टर चौहान सर थे, जो पेशे से तो एक पुलिस अफसर थे, लेकिन वो भी कुछ समय के लिए क्रिकेट खेला करते थे. He used to coach young cricketers at place called Cricket Bungalow. I was initially interested in fast bowling, changed into my mainstream left arm orthodox on the instructions of Mr. Chauhan. उनकी कुछ स्पेशल टिप एंड ट्रिक्स की वजह से ही मैंने अपनी गेंदबाजी में बहुत ज्यादा सुधार किया. My mother died in an accident in 2005 और मेरी मदर के डेथ के बाद मैं डिप्रेशन में चला गया था. मेरी मदर चाहती थी कि मैं इंडिया के लिए कुछ करूं और उसी सपने को पूरा करने के लिए मैंने बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करी, जिस कारण मैं डिप्रेशन से भी बाहर आया. और आज मैं इस मुकाम पर सिर्फ अपनी मदर और मिस्टर चौहान सर की वजह से ही पहुंचा हूं. At last, I would like to say that I have had dreams. I have had nightmares. I overcame the nightmares because of my dreams.
Hello everyone, I am Joanne Rowling, popularly known as J.K. Rowling. I was fond of writing from a very small age. Soon, after conceiving the idea of Harry Potter, I began writing, but was immediately pulled away from my work by the devastating death of my mother. I ceased working on the book and sank into a deep grieving depression. Not only I failed to make a progress on the first book, I also ended up with a failed marriage and a baby daughter. I had no job, no finished product, and two mouths to feed. As I struggled with depression, I resumed working on the book. When I finally finished the first 3 chapters, I constantly faced rejection from 12 publishers. But strengthening myself against rejection was what made my work unforgettable. And today, I'm in front of you all, one of the best selling authors of all time.
100 साल पहले कर्नाटका के एक छोटे से जिले में मेरा जन्म हुआ। मेरे माता पिता ने मेरा नाम ठिमक्का रखा। मैं मेरी जिंदगी के पहले 40 साल तक ठिमक्का ही बुलाई जाती थी, पर फिर लोगों ने मेरे नाम के आगे एक नया नाम जोड़ दिया, सालू मराठा, और आज तक मुझे इसी नाम से जानते हैं। घर में पैसों की कमी होने के कारण मैं पढ़ ना सकी और माता पिता के साथ मजदूरी करने लगी। जल्दी ही मेरे माता पिता ने मेरी शादी भी करवा दी। हम सब बहुत खुश थे, लेकिन फिर हमें पता चला कि हम निसंतान ही रहेंगे, और ये जानने के बाद मैंने आत्महत्या कर ली। मेरे पति ने मुझे रोक लिया था और फिर हमने मिलकर फैसला किया कि हम गांव के पास ही पेड़ पौधे लगाएंगे। मानो उन पेड़ पौधों को ही मैंने अपनी संतान मान लिया। हमने सोचा कि पेड़ पौधे उगाने से हमें हमारे जीवन की नई उम्मीद मिलेगी, लेकिन 1951 में ही मेरे पति का ध्यान था। मेरे योगदान पर काफी समय तक किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया। मुझे आज बहुत खुशी होती है जब मैं इन बड़े बड़े पेड़ों को देखती हूँ जो मैंने 70 साल पहले अपने हाथों से लगाए। मुझे आज बहुत लोग जानते हैं, पर तब भी मुझे इतनी खुशी नहीं होती जितने इन बड़े बड़े पेड़ों को देखकर होती है। मुझे पद्मश्री के अवार्ड से भी सम्मानित किया गया। मैं आज सबको बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि वातावरण का सम्मान करो। यही सबसे बड़ा तोहफा है जो तुम अगली पीढ़ी को दे सकते।
Hello everyone, I am Walt Disney. I came from very humble beginnings. I even helped my father with newspaper deliveries before and after my school and on weekends. I dropped out of my high school at 16. I used to sell my drawings for money. I moved to Kansas City hoping to become a newspaper cartoonist. I got a job of creating advertisements, but I got fired because according to publisher, I lacked imagination and I had no good ideas. In 1922, I opened a film studio called Laugh-O-Gram, but it struggled financially and shut down in 1923. But I didn't give up. I headed to Hollywood to make my dream come true. My characters like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck become hugely famous. In 1955, my another dream came true. The amusement park Disneyland opened in California. Today, there are 11 Disneylands all over the world, and Disney Company continues to produce new movies and series. As Disney Company will never be completed. It will continue to grow as long as there is imagination left in the world. Remember, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to
Hi,
pursue them.
my name is Sonam Wangchuk, an engineer, innovator, and educational reformist. आप लोग शायद मुझे नहीं पहचानते होंगे, पर मैं बोलूं that my story inspired Amish Khan character of Unsuk Wangdu or Rancho in the movie of Three Idiots, then you will definitely recognize me. Yes, I am real life Unsuk Wangdu. I was born in a village in Ladakh जहाँ पर एक भी स्कूल नहीं था। मेरी माँ ने मुझे 9 साल तक घर पे ही पढ़ाया। Then I was finally taken to Srinagar for my schooling. Since I looked different compared to other students, I would address in a language that I didn't understand, and thus I was thought to be a stupid. मुझे वहाँ अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता था, इसलिए मैं दिल्ली शिफ्ट हो गया फॉर स्कूलिंग। मैंने अपने खर्चे पे बीटेक कंप्लीट की। With a desire to reform the education system, I started Chatmore, Student Education and Culture Movement of Ladakh, which comprises of big solar heating, teaching halls and rooms. मैंने कैंपेन भी लॉन्च किया ऑपरेशन न्यू होप के नाम से, जिससे लेह लद्दाख के बच्चों को कल्चरली एंड लोकली रेलिवेंट एजुकेशन मिल पाए। हमारी पहली अचीवमेंट थी जब क्लास 10 का ओवरऑल फेलियर रेट रिड्यूस हुआ। इट वाज रिड्यूस फ्रॉम 95% to 5%. Fighting the odds, I invented an ice stupa which stores the winter water in the form of ice cones. मेरे लिए एजुकेशन और लाइफ के बीच में लिंक होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। I should believe that education should be about the healing the earth and dealing with the crisis that we are in.
Hey everyone, I'm Elon Musk. You all know me as a genius, entrepreneur, or a billionaire who also has a worth of 94 billion. But before being a billionaire, my only assets were my ideas and a vision to change the world and humanity. Initially, my ideas turned many dreams into reality, but it is not an easy journey. In June 2002, I founded SpaceX with the objective to provide low-cost space transportation and make Mars colonization a reality. I invested a lot of money in it. The company's first three launches failed, which sparked concern in many investors. We only had enough money for the fourth launch. It was a very stressful time for me, but the fourth launch was a huge success for us as we received a contract from NASA for $1.6 billion. I founded Tesla Motors in 2003, a company which aims to provide cost-efficient electric cars. But there too I failed because the car was costing almost double the predicted price, thereby making the funds insufficient. But I didn't give up, and later on my car received great reviews for its performance. In my own words, falling is an option here. If things are not failing, it means you are not innovating enough. Now I effectively manage my three companies, seven children, and even make time to think about the future.
Hi there, I'm Vijay Sharma, and I think that there is no need to introduce myself. But जिन लोगों को मेरे बारे में नहीं पता, I am the proud founder and CEO of India's famous mobile transaction app Paytm. आज इस मंच पर मैं अपनी लाइफ स्टोरी शेयर करने आया हूँ. So let's begin. When I was 14, I completed my education. फिर ना मेरे को इंग्लिश बोलनी आती थी और ना पढ़नी. बचपन में एक छोटा सा सपना था मेरा to become an engineer and to get a job of just rupees 10,000. मेरी लाइफ में स्ट्रगल्स की शुरुआत तब हुई थी जब मुझे दिल्ली कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी करनी थी. Somehow I passed the exam and got admission in college. अब मेरे लिए मेन प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि जो भी टीचर मेरे को समझाती थी मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था. एंड फाइनली आई डिसाइडेड टू लर्न इंग्लिश. मैंने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा, बहुत कुछ करा, एंड अ डे कम्स व्हेन आई लर्नड इंग्लिश. आई लर्नड हाउ टू रीड, राइट एंड स्पीक इट प्रॉपर्ली. I was inspired by the famous Chinese billionaire Jack Ma and opened my India's first fintech company, Paytm. And as a result, आज आप सब जानते हैं that Paytm is now one of the most successful company. This is my hard-earned victory. After having a lot of downfalls, I have achieved great heights of success. At last, I would like to say that a person makes his own destiny. Thank you.
It was indeed a wonderful presentation. Thank you, friends, for inspiring us. Well, we must have heard a lot of people recovering from their physical and mental illness just by practicing yoga regularly. Such is the power of this magical art, yoga. Yoga is lifelike. It's a balance of holding on and letting go. It not only builds physical strength and resilience, but also makes us mentally, emotionally, and spiritually sound and resilient. So, to highlight the importance of yoga and showcase the beautiful yoga asanas, we have with us Priyanka Ahuja.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला. तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला.
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो. कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदे हर मैदान फतेह.
Wow, Priyanka, your yoga answers were very beautiful. We were truly impressed. You know, words have an overpowering effect on everybody. Poetry not only narrates the struggles of the oppressed, but it also encourages spirited souls and paved paths that are full of possibilities. So, next we would like to have Kashish Tataria for a stimulating poem.
Never give up. It's not always just luck. Remember to give it a try, even if you are feeling low or high. If you get it wrong first time, always put yourself back in line. If you feel like you are never gonna get it right, always try again and put up a fight. Resilience is key, even if it's tricky. Resilience is key, even if it's tricky. Always try again, it's never quite the end. Always try again, it's never quite the end. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. The rule is never to give in. Thank you.
Thank you, Kashish, for an amazing and inspirational poem. We dance for laughter. We dance for tears. We dance for madness. We dance for fears. We dance for hopes. We dance for screams. We are the dancers. We create the dreams. Yes, to culminate our virtual extravaganza, we would like to salute all the resilient souls through a sterling dance performance by our very, very talented dancers, Bhavya and Saisha.
दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। काटे रहने दे गुलाब तोड़ ले, नींदों की टहनियों से ख्वाब तोड़ ले, हो काटे रहने दे गुलाब तोड़ ले, नींदों की टहनियों से ख्वाब तोड़ ले, ख्वाहिशों की है कहानियां पढ़ी, चुन ले कहानियां किताब जोड़ ले, लिखी है जिंदगी तो यारा, पढ़ ले दिल का इशारा, सारा बदल दे नजारा, जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा, जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा।
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा अल्लाह दिल से बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू बाचा, बारे थर थर कंबदे सारे, अल्लाह दिल से बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू बाचा, बारे थर थर कंबदे सारे, मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा अल्लाह दिल से बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू बाचा, बारे थर थर कंबदे सारे, अल्लाह दिल से बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू बाचा, बारे थर थर कंबदे सारे।
It was indeed a splendid and a praiseworthy performance. Thank you so much, Bhavya and Saisha, for this amazing performance.
From every wound, there's a scar, and every scar tells a story. A story that says, I have survived and turned my wounds into wisdom. With this quote, I'd like to end our presentation. Now, I would request our respected principal ma'am to share her pearls of wisdom and valuable suggestions with all of us. Please, ma'am.
Yes. Congratulations to you all, along with your class teacher and to your parents also. A very good presentation, a remarkable presentation. The way you have conceived the idea was very good, and you have conceived it very well. So it was a real visual treat to our eyes. And in this time, in this struggling period, everybody is struggling with themselves and with the situations. So you have motivated all of us. You have given a message to all of us and to yourself, like we should never give up. As I always share with you in the school, like we all have lot of inner potential, and we can always turn threats into opportunities. So this you have shown in a very beautiful manner, and this was like recalling, recapitulating, because we forget sometime and we are into negative situations. It happens with everyone, but then how to turn all the things into positive direction. So the message was very clear, very good, through dances, through poem, through visual, like you can say role plays also. So communication skills were very good. Every skills you have shown in a very beautiful and very in a quality manner, let me say, which I always say, like we should work for the quality. So congratulations to dear children and Lata ma'am and all my coordinators. Roma is here, Sandeep is here. So a lot of hard work, unimaginative. I know this goes into this virtual treat. So, but you all have learned a lot, and you will never forget what you have quoted today. And I can see the confidence and happiness and smile on your faces, and that I think on the must be on the parents' faces also. They must be feeling so proud of you, like what you have done today. Big round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind and motivating words. I would now request Roma ma'am to take over.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for motivating us. These words mean a lot to us, and you always inspire us to move ahead. Now, I would request Sandeep ma'am, our in charge ma'am, to just express her views for us.
Good morning, everybody. Ever since I have come in contact with Mrs. Vadera, I have learned only one word: challenge. Always a challenge, and I had seen her accepting challenges, and I have seen her giving challenges. And today, when she has given such a big challenge, never step behind. You know, it is either online education or no education, and she has brought everybody on that platform. And with that education, she has given us aim to make education rich in these times. So, Lata ma'am, your topic, your theme of resilience is indeed inspirational. We all have to come out of this. We all have to have the courage. And all these stories are a significant reminder that if they could, so we can too. So, well done, children. Well done, teachers. Good job. Congratulations to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep ma'am, for your words. Now we have judges with us. I request Mrs. Mendirata to share her inputs. Mrs. Mendirata.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Well,
Good morning,
this is really a good presentation, and real life examples were shown, and it reminded me of two books which I read earlier. The one is people don't do different things; they do things differently.
Yes.
I mean, the way they conquer and all that, and the other one is success is never ending and failure is never final. So basically, they never gave up. The stories they show, I mean, the real life stories, and they never gave up. This shows that failure is never final and success is never ending. Ultimately they won, and they have some name and fame, everything. And it's really a good presentation, ma'am. Really good. Thank you. And did a very good job.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your inspiring words. Now we have Mrs. Pandey with us. I would request her to bless us. Pandey, ma'am.
Hello, good morning. Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Mrs.
Good
Patel.
morning. Good morning. सबसे पहली बात तो ये संघर्ष के बिना सफलता नहीं, बहुत ही सुंदर टॉपिक है। यथा हेकेन चक्रेण रथस्य गतिर्न भवे तथैव पुरुषकारेण विना दैवम न सिद्ध्यति। मैं समझ सकती हूँ बच्चे यहाँ सुन रहे हैं और उन्होंने कोशिश बहुत अच्छी की और ये भी उनका बहुत ही जाना माना सा श्लोक है, तो ये सिर्फ याद दिलाने के लिए हिम्मत नहीं हारनी है। तू न थकेगा कभी, तू न थमेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, कर शपथ कर शपथ कर शपथ। ये महान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्रु श्वेद रक्त से लथपथ लथपथ लथपथ। ये बच्चों आपने पढ़ी है कविता, तो उसी के अनुसार आपने प्रयास भी किए हैं। बहुत ही सुंदर आपकी प्रस्तुति रही और इतने अच्छे अच्छे उदाहरण देकर आपने उसको यहाँ प्रस्तुत किया और आपने उत्सव के रूप में इसे मनाते हुए नृत्य भी किया। बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही बधाई के पात्र हैं आप लोग। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Pandey ma'am. Now I request Mrs. Oberoi to add on. Please, Mrs. Oberoi.
Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, I would like to thank you all for inviting me to judge that event, and it's really a treat to our eyes to see all these things. After watching their performance, मुझे मिस्टर मोदी की एक बात मुझे याद आई कि माना कि अंधेरा घना है, लेकिन दिया जलाना कहाँ मना है। तो आज बच्चों ने वही परफॉर्मेंस में बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से उसको बताने की कोशिश की है, एंड आई वुड रियली लाइक एंड ऑनलाइन वर्चुअल मैम ये DAV के लिए ही पॉसिबल है आई थिंक, एंड आई वुड रियली प्राउड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ DAV एंड सीइंग द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द किड्स, द कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड द एफर्ट दे मेड. I myself seen by my eyes कि they are just lighting up, you know, the candles in the night. रात भर बच्चे इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, टीचर्स मेहनत कर रहे हैं. इट्स वेरी वंडरफुल एंड वेरी गुड बच्चा पार्टी एंड टीचर्स. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I request Mrs. Sarogi to please give her feedbacks for this platform. Mrs. Sarogi.
Ma'am, unmute करिए. Unmute yourself. No.
Yes. Good morning, everybody. Yes. Ma'am, congratulations. Students ने बहुत मेहनत करी है और मतलब इससे हमने ये सीखा कि कोशिश कभी हारती नहीं. जब तक आदमी संघर्ष करता है तभी जीत सकता है. और बच्चों ने हमें इतना एक माध्यम एग्जाम्पल इतना अच्छा दिया है और एग्जीक्यूशन बच्चों का बहुत अच्छा था. और लता मैम आपने बहुत मेहनत की है बच्चों के साथ, ये दिख रहा है हमें. और बच्चे घर बैठे भी इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं. मैं सोच रही हूँ अगर सामने होते तो क्या कर सकते थे वो भी. थैंक यू मैम, हम लोग को इतना कुछ आप लोग एक साथ कनेक्ट हुए हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now we have some parents with us. Lata ma'am, will you please switch over and invite the parents to share their feedbacks?
Yes, ma'am. I have, I think, Shobit's mother, if she's there. He wanted to.
Yes, she's here.
Yeah.
Yes. First of all, good morning to all, principal ma'am and all the teachers.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ मैम, एक तो बहुत अच्छा सा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि वर्चुअली भी इस तरीके से हो सकता है, इतना बच्चे इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं. और कोविड-19 जैसी पेंडेमिक में भी उन्होंने अपनी लर्निंग को इफेक्ट नहीं होने दिया है बच्चों ने, ना टीचर्स ने. इट शोज अ हार्ड वर्क टीचर्स का भी और साथ साथ बच्चों का भी. और सबसे जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो मुझे इसमें लगी है, हम जैसे बच्चों से हमेशा यही पूछते हैं कि 10th में आ गए हो बेटा, आगे क्या करना है, क्या सब्जेक्ट ऑप्ट कर रहे हो. एवरीबडी आस्क दिस, रिलेटिव्स, साथ में जो भी फ्रेंड सर्कल. बट ये बच्चों को सिखाता है कि आपको फेलियर को भी कैसे फेस करना है, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आज के टाइम में. ये बच्चों को सिखाना कि ठीक है तुम सक्सेस को कैसे इंजॉय करोगे, बट अगर फेलियर आता है तो उसको तुम कैसे फेस करोगे. तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क है. लता मैम, मतलब मुझे तो लग रहा था कि मेरे घर में कोई मतलब शूटिंग चल रही है, टेक्स रीटेक्स और मतलब ही वाज यूजिंग माय कॉटन साड़ी एज अ बैकग्राउंड. तो 2 दिन वो उसी प्लेस पे था, तो मैंने कहा बेटा अब रिमूव कर दूं, हो गया नहीं मम्मा अभी और भी बनानी है वीडियोस, अभी और भी बनानी है। मतलब इट वाज लाइक दैट कि चलो बच्चे बिजी हैं और अच्छी चीजें सीख रहे हैं। थैंक्स टू ऑल मैम।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Chinmay's mother. Chinmay,
Ma'am, actually she is not there.
okay, no problem. Do we have Saisha's mother here?
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's really an amazing thing to I witness your hard work, ma'am. And we are really grateful that our kids are studying in your school, ma'am. Ma'am, as a mentor, Lata ma'am did a lot with our kids. They were working on their presentations till I think so 12 p.m. yesterday. एंड बेसिकली मुझे तो ये लग रहा है कि ये कोरोना क्रूशियल टाइम नहीं है, इट्स अ चैलेंजिंग टाइम फॉर आवर किड्स दैट दे आर लर्निंग मैनी थिंग्स नॉट इन अ सिंगल वे. बेसिकली दे आर एडिटिंग सो वेल, दे आर स्क्रिप्टिंग सो वेल, दे आर परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल. रियली कहते हैं ना कि एक फ्रूटफुल थिंग देखना. एंड थैंक यू अनीता मैम. बेसिकली आप शुरू से ही मेरी इंस्पिरेशन रहे हैं. आई एडमायर यू अ लॉट बिकॉज मैं जब से साइशा इनके कैम्ब्रिज में तब से देख रहे हैं एंड यू आर स्टिल दैट एंड यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड. एंड इवन दो एवरी टीचर बहुत इनकी जस्ट मैं देखती हूँ कि कैसे टीचर्स रात दिन कर रहे हैं. इस टाइम को उन्होंने बच्चों को बिल्कुल फील नहीं होने दिया है कि उनके साथ कुछ क्रूशियल हो रहा है. दे आर इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड, ओ माय गॉड इट्स अ हुआ, तुम्हें ये करना है, तुम्हें वो बहुत लाइट वे में बच्चों को संभाल रहे हैं. बिकॉज हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है मैम इस टाइम पे बच्चों को करना. बेसिकली समटाइम्स हम हाइपर हो जाते हैं, बट आई सॉ कि टीचर्स कभी हाइपर नहीं हो रहे. एंड रियली अ बिग थैंक्स मैम. थैंक यू ऑल द
support.
And even congratulations to all the kids. They did a marvelous job, Lata ma'am. बहुत अच्छा किया बच्चे ने.
Thank you,
Each and
ma'am.
every
All
kid
thanks to all
is
of
their
you.
own aura. लग रहा था कि ये वही हैं जो ये रोल कर रहे हैं. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, we are all are here for the kids only, and our existence is only because of kids. So this is our
And we are blessed, ma'am.
And,
We are
with
blessed.
your cooperation, with the parents' cooperation, and without kids, we can't do anything. So it's a teamwork. But I always keep on giving them positive challenges so that they are busy doing something new. And this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
required because life keeps on going, and we can't
Yes,
stop
ma'am.
anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
We can't
Yes,
stop.
ma'am.
We can't afford to stop. हमें दौड़ना है, बहुत बड़े-बड़े जंप लगाने हैं, तभी हम
Yes, ma'am.
we can face the world. So so much thankful to all the parents and so proud of my children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I have some students who would like to share their experience.
Yes. I would like to
Shobhit,
talk to them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shobhit, would you
Yes,
like
ma'am.
to visit?
To talk to them.
Yes, ma'am.
Actors, directors, orators, producers.
Yes.
Ma'am, as you know, ma'am, every expo is fun with learning experience. Ma'am, but this year it was a little bit different as we all students and teachers perform virtually. Ma'am, I personally felt like an actor and my class teacher Lata ma'am was the director because ma'am, she kept on asking for retakes until we perfected the shot. And ma'am, I will thank to my class teacher Lata ma'am who have worked so hard with us to do this. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Beta. Thank you. Can I have Bhavya now to speak?
It was a great experience performing Expo virtually. I really enjoyed being a part of it. Performing online was a bit difficult for us, but we learned a lot of things from it. It was somehow a boon for us as we could rectify our mistakes and could work upon it and reshoot the video. We all participants worked really hard, but it would not have been worked out without Lata ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Beta. Thank you. Can I have Krish?
Yes, ma'am. मैम आगे वीडियो
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, I feel that there was more fun being physically present in the expo, and if I talk about the virtually, I learned more about and it grilled us for perfection, and it would be not
Okay.
possible without Lata ma'am.
Thank you so much. Can I have Saisha?
This year we have a different and new experience while performing in Expo. As Expo is my all-time favorite since I was in Cambridge, I enjoyed it a lot. And big thanks to our mentor Lata ma'am, who was connected with us in each and every moment. And this was pretty much new experience for us, but she made it so comfortable to do this. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vita. Can I have our editor Tanishq?
Good morning, Principal Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Ma'am,
Vita.
this was my kind of expo as I am a tech-savvy person. I not only put
Okay.
my old experiences, but I get to know on other apps and editor softwares. And ma'am, lastly, I would thank my class teacher, as ma'am, she worked with us day and night and supported us.
Thank you so much.
We're happy for you. Yes.
Thank you. Yes.
Chinmay is
I,
there. Chinmay will talk.
Chinmay,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, yes. He's so excited. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, it was a very good opportunity for all of us to participate in this expo. And I feel, ma'am, very privileged to participate in this. And ma'am, I also like to thank Lata ma'am for being us. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Vita. Thank you. Ma'am, it was a great teamwork. I mean, I also was, this time I was like a student because I was working on the backgrounds and I was learning so
We
many
all are
things.
learning from these students.
Yes,
And
we
that,
were learning,
that is,
definitely,
yes.
ma'am. We were learning so many things, and almost the last call that I used to have was around 1. And Tanish, my chief editor, who is presenting today, I used to talk to him at the end, and then we used to sleep. I think I used to sleep, but he used to work. So all of this.
Some parent is Mrs. Makhija. She wants to talk. I think so. Yashika Makhija. Yes, yes, ma'am. आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी मैम मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही
Hello.
हाँ जी
Hello.
yes now you're audible. Yes.
First of all,
Yes,
I would like to thank all the teachers for their best efforts, especially Lata ma'am. Even during this lockdown, sheer hard work of our teachers never failed to motivate the students through their efforts. Also, the students have performed really very well. So it's the combined efforts of both the students and teachers that have made this expo a very success. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, she is out, but she still made it to come and speak because Sujay, her child, he has also participated in this and he became the Paytm owner. And when he actually spoke, he looked like Vijay Shekhar Sharma.
Yes, dear students, it's your day. Be proud of yourself and never underestimate your skills, your strength that you have shown. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request Chinmay to come and give vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, everyone. I feel privileged to have this opportunity to thank our respected principal ma'am for giving us this new virtual platform to exhibit our talent and brilliance in different skills. I would also like to express gratitude towards Sandeep ma'am, Roma ma'am, and Shelly ma'am for their constant support, motivation, and guidance. Last but not least, I would like to thank our class teacher Lata ma'am for being with us throughout, right from visualizing the topic, its planning, to its execution. Entire team of participants who put heart and soul in their performances. Our exceptional team of editors who work day in and day out and without whom we couldn't imagine to reach our audience. And finally, our class teacher, Lata ma'am, for being with us throughout. And how can I forget to thank our endearing parents without whose support and blessings we couldn't perform so well. Once again, thank each one of you. Thank you everyone for being a lovely audience. I hope all of you enjoyed the program.
Well done, beta. Thank you. Indeed, we are thankful to you all and congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let us, ma'am, join our hands for Shanti part. Tanishq.
Yes, ma'am.
ॐ द्यौ शान्ति अन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधय शान्ति वनस्पतय शान्ति विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्मा शान्ति सर्वः शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्ति सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ
Hearty congratulations to all the students of 10th B and Lata ma'am. And so we conclude here, and thank you everyone for being here, giving your very precious and valuable time to us. Thank you everyone.